Today is January 17, 2022. So, Canada, Ontario, Toronto. I'm here in Toronto. It's a big snow in my life. So first time I'm seeing like that. Every hour the news says 30 centimeter. So today is bad day in Canada, and Highway 401 closed, and then now I'm the second day also. So Highway 401 is completely closed, express, and then only collector. Takes many hours to get to job. So bad weather. So now it's second day. It's 18th of the January. So sun shiny, but it's still lots of snow. People doesn't have to where to snow manage. Very hard to drive, and all over is snow like that. Hard to drive, but still I have to go my job. I'm here finally.